boss with the
Wait,
G36. Huh?
What's out of bounds?
Right. It's just this, like, right through here.
So no over there?
No, not really. Team that's holding the box, there's 4 minutes left, and we're going to see how this goes. There's Roach, and Will.
Get out of my sight. Jericho.
Oh God, not again.
You better chill. Don't move. Don't move. There's a lot of people right over here. Ready, bro?
Ew.
Go in there.
Go over here. Right side. Maybe on Mac, on the side. No Bolano, no black barn. Bomb is 3 minutes to go. Hey, Roach, are we allowed to throw it over the fence, or we have to run out with it? Run out. All right. Go right back to bomb. That's a good job.
Hey, ball side, have the ball!
Checking out Little Man here. What's up? Say hey to YouTube.
Bomb is at the halfway mark.
The fence, what do you guys want me to do with it?
Make sure it doesn't go off.
When we defuse it and throw it.
If you run out, tell me. I'll just come back. 1 minute, 45 seconds. Hey, if you want to, when time goes out, you can throw it over. Alright. That way I can get out while they all duck.
Yeah. Hey, if you want, I'll be distracted. I'll just run towards them if you want.
Alright.
I'll do that. You gotta be like right behind me, go the other way.
Right there. You guys gotta rush.
Do a barrel roll.
You gotta push up when they win the ball. We're in the game. Don't rush. What's the time? What's the time? You have the ball.
Roach, time!
1 minute.
Shit, she's on.
3, 2, 1. Let's go! Bring the bomb back.
Run!
That's the game.
Never mind.